Hi, in this one we're going to export our project as plugins on Windows. So I'm going to start by opening our Rustic Violin project, and I'm just going to check that I've set the HISE path. Let's see, no I haven't, so I'm going to click Browse, and I'm going to go to the HISE path. And I'm going to uncheck this Use IPP box because I'm not using that. And I'm just going to make sure Visual Studio 2022 is selected here. We're going to the Export menu and we're going to select the Setup Export Wizard. So this is just going to run through some checks to make sure our system is set up and configured properly for exporting. Let's click Next. So that tells us we have the Microsoft Build compiler installed and we have IPP installed. We've set the HISE path, and the version of the HISE source code we have matches the version of HISE we have. So this is why it's important that you build HISE from the source code you've downloaded before you compile your plugin. And this just makes sure that all the versions match across the board. So HISE has the same version as the source code, and your project has the same version as HISE. Okay, let's click Next. Producer has been found and it's set up correctly, and the SDKs have been extracted. We did all that when we first set up HISE. And let's click Finish. Okay, we'll go to the Export menu again, and we'll select Compile Project. So we can choose whether we want to compile as a plugin or a standalone app. I'm just going with the plugin for today. We can choose the type of project. We're going to go with instrument. And the plugin type. We're on Windows, so all we can really choose is VST or AAX. And AAX is just for Pro Tools, and you have to have the SDK for that, which we don't have. So we're just going to go with the VST. And we'll click Next. And this begins the compilation process, and we get a terminal output built into HISE. If you ever get any error messages and you need help with it on the forum, you can click this button here to copy the output to the clipboard, and you can paste that into a post on the forum. Now what's happened behind the scenes is HISE has created a Juice project for our HISE project, and that's what it's compiling. So let's have a look at that. If we go to the Documents folder, we'll go to our Projects folder, and we'll go to the Binaries folder. So here we can see HISE has created a Juicer project file for our project, so we could actually open that in Producer if we wanted to. And it's also created this batch compile script. And what this script does is behind the scenes it loads this Juicer file into Producer and saves it. That in turn creates a Visual Studio project, and then behind the scenes again it runs that Visual Studio project to do the compilation. So just like we did when we compiled HISE. And everything is going well. You can see we're at the generating code stage, and if you remember that from when we compiled HISE, that can take a little while. So we'll just let this run and come back in a few minutes. And the progress bar has reached 100%. Let's click Next. So now we can see the compiled file. Let's click on that one. So here it is. So this is the project folder, Rustic Violin, and in the Binaries folder, in the compiled folder, in the VST3 folder, we find the compiled VST3 plugin. If we click this option though to show the plugin folder, this will take us to the VST3 folder in C, Program Files, Common Files, and this is where we need to install the plugin. So let's copy that across. So we'll just drag that across like that. So this is the location specified by Steinberg for installing VST3 plugins. So that's how we export our instruments on Windows. So now we're going to go back into HISE and I'll show you how we export our effects plugins.